In today's video, I'm going to show you how to build a survey using Evenesis. The survey module will be available at module number 6 here. Alright, so basically when you this is the first time you create a survey, when you click the module, this is where you will be landed. So this is where you give out options for you whether to choose a default template, which is the blank one, meaning you start from scratch, or you can choose based on the existing template. But we have about three program feedback forms: banquet and catering questionnaire, food and beverage, and survey. So basically this is where you insert your title, descriptions. This is the end page when people would say like a thank you page after they are submitting their survey, and this is the end page submission, the message you would like to show to the to those who take the surveys. So you also can set the start date and end date, and also the surveys capping. Alright, so right now let's start from the scratch. I want to create a program feedback form. Right now, so there's an option for you whether to start for one page. So basically maybe you can set in a single page, maybe you want to put everything about the venue, for example, right? So page by page, or you can create one single page and put everything inside there. So for this part, I'm going to use 2-page survey, one for venue and one for the event itself. Alright, so for the first venue, for the first page, we'll say about event experience. So this basically is the notes or instruction, or more like I would say notes, or to highlight to the attendees about the questions. Okay, so this is where you click it as mandatory. You can choose either it's a drop down, you want it to be randomized. Okay. Next, I want to add on the new page, another page which is for the venue itself. to make it simple so you understand. So basically this is where you choose the type of questions for your next questions, and let's say if maybe you would like to arrange it, you can use this button, this arrow, to arrange it, to move it up or to move it down. And if you want to remove it, just click this part. Okay, basically I'm done. I'm just click save. Okay, now let's see how the survey looks like. Click run. So basically the survey is like our registration form. So basically it has an independent link. So whenever you want to send out a survey, you just copy this link and embed it in your email template, or maybe you can embed it inside your websites. Okay, you just share these links, copy this link and just paste it. Okay, I want to show you how the report looks like. Okay, just one. Okay, these are the first sessions. I'll say this one. Now let's take another one. I have to show you how the result looks like. Okay, and just alright. So there's two ways of viewing reports. So to view the report, you can click here, view report, and then you can see this how the report looks like. Okay, and you also can view the response, and maybe for example you want to remove certain response. Maybe you think, for example, maybe you have about 20 questions, you see this person only took it about 10 seconds, so you think this service is not reliable, you can always remove it. So these are the duration it shows. So for example, for this part you can see the difference. Since it's 1 minute plus and another one is 22 seconds. It's up to you actually, but we give you an option for you to remove it and to export it into Excel. Alright, to export it, you just click export button and it will auto pop up. So you need to enable pop-up inside in your browser. Okay, now to send out survey, you can go to promotions. Show you how it works. So you can create template. Maybe you want to send it one time or two times. So basically I'm going to use this one. I just want to copy it. Okay, so this is how I do it. Click template. Normally people will send the survey instead of thank you email, right? So basically I just do some sort of like a thank you email with a button, with a thank you. So the process of sending out survey is the same like you sending out normal email. So you just click plus informations. Okay, next, choose your template. Same procedure. Okay, Evenesis. Okay, maybe we can put it here. There you set. And now you are done. Okay, thank you.